So, we're going to discuss how to get literature review and studies for tourism researches or undergraduate thesis for the tourism industry through Google Scholar. First, you need to type Google Scholar in your search bar and then click enter, and then you have to click Google Scholar, this one. For example, you're going to study about customer satisfaction in the tourism industry. So you have to type customer satisfaction in the tourism industry and then click the search icon. So there are lots of literature reviews and studies that will appear in the Google Scholar, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and more to come literature reviews and studies in this section. If you're looking for literature and studies that are 5 years back, so you have to select custom range and then type 2017 because the date today is 2023 to 2023, and then click search. So everything that will appear here is from 2017 to 2023. Now, if your focus or theme in your literature review is about customer satisfaction, or your major variable in your study is about customer satisfaction, then everything that will appear here is about customer satisfaction. So, for example, you're going to select the first research that you have found in Google Scholar, this one. Okay, when you open it, so usually the content is abstract only. So if you're looking for a related study, you can use abstract and then paraphrase it to make your related study about customer satisfaction. Okay, and then if you want to study the whole paper, then you can select the title because sometimes you cannot open the whole PDF file in the Google Scholar. So you have to copy the title and then try to look in the Sci-Hub. Okay, this one. Select Sci-Hub and then enter the title here and then click open. And if it's available in Sci-Hub, it will automatically open. So Sci-Hub is already using the APA 7th edition referencing format, so you can just copy this reference in your reference section. And then here you can already view the whole paper, the PDF file. Okay, so you can read about the influence of green practices by non-green hotels on customer satisfaction and loyalty in hotel and tourism industry. Alright, so in the introduction of a research paper, you can read literature reviews, and you can use this in your literature reviews because remember, literature reviews, it is different with related studies. Okay, so the best site to look for related studies is Google Scholar. So once you're done opening this uh, study, you can just the uh, click to go back, and then if you wish to cite the title or the study, you just need to click this and then click the reference format you are using. So usually we are using the APA format, so we just need to copy this in your Microsoft Word. On my next discussion, I will be teaching you how to format references and citations. Next, if you're going to add more literature review or study, then you just have to click another study here and then open it. And again, just read the abstract, try to paraphrase it using your own words, or you can use other softwares to help you paraphrase the paragraph, and then you already have your related study. Okay.